Hello students, welcome to everyone. Today I will discuss some problems regarding refraction to spherical surface. Ray travels from rare to denser or denser to rare. Now first problem, come to the first problem. A small point object is placed in air at a distance of 60 cm from the convex surface. Convex surface, first देखो, this is convex surface, this is rare and this is denser, because the object is placed at a distance air. So in this case mu is equal to 1, mu1 is equal to 1 and mu2 60 cm from the object. It is the object now, I will look at this 60 cm and the spherical refractive index is 1.5, mu2 is 1.5. चलिए इमेज का कुछ फॉर्मेशन हो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर दे दीजिए कितने दैट इज दिस इज p रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर दिस इज c इट इज गिवन एज कितने 25 चला चला हम देखिबा where the image is fall what is the position of the as ray travels from rare to denser as ray travels from rare to denser medium, therefore formula is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. In this case the medium is air, so mu1 is equal to 1 and mu2 is the refractive index of particle. So this is 1 by v minus u कितना है at a distance of 60 cm, that is mu1 sorry mu2 वाला 1.5 mu1 वाला 1 by minus 60 cm. it is given दे दला u वाला minus 60 cm, r वाला plus 25 cm. चला हम बचा जी पहला पोजीशन था चले this is minus 60 that is 1.5 minus 1 by 25. चला चलो 1.5 by v plus 1 by 60. This is 1.5 minus 1. 0.5 1 by this is 0.5 by 25. This is equal to 1 by 50. So this is 1.5 by v is equal to 1 by 50 minus 1 by 60. चला take the LCM 300. 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 300. So v is equal to 1 by v देती ना, v is equal to कितने 1.5 into 300. कुछ बोल ना 1 by v is equal to कितने v is equal to 1.5 means कितने जो 15.40 से 450 as it is positive, so as per the figure image is formed at this point. Image is real or virtual? A real image as a, so therefore a real image is formed at a distance of 450 centimeter on other side of convex surface. बुझे ला ये ला first problem जोड़े पहले image is this much. Come to the second problem. देख चला देखो come to the second problem. What curvature must be given to the bounding surface of a refractive medium? Mu दिया is 1.5 and for the virtual image of an object in an adjacent medium mu 1 at a distance of 10 cm to form at a distance of 40 cm. So come to the second problem. Bounding different surface दे दी आज given दे देला mu1 is equal to 1, mu2 1.5 and u is equal to minus 10 cm, v is equal to that is minus 40 cm. कहेंगे being the image is virtual, it is formed on the same side of the object, so u is minus and v is also, if it is real then plus is virtual means it is minus. Again as ray travels from what curvature must be given to the bounding surface of a refracting medium for the virtual image of object to adjacent medium. Exact same thing thila tale as ray travels from what to rare to denser medium. As ray travels from rare to denser medium, you get mu2 by v minus v1 by u is equal to mu2 minus v1 by r. So हम r काढिया अछि, it is given that mu2 1.5 by v है minus 40 1 by u minus 10 1.5 minus 1 by that is r. So this is 0.5 by r which is equal to 1 by 2r. एपट केते आसला 1.5 by minus 40 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2r. So you take the LCM 40 minus 1.5 plus 4 1 by 2r. 4 left केते आसला 2.5 by 40 is equal to 1 by 2r. इट गोटे काटी दियो किंतु इठी 40 अछि केते दिस इज 20 दिस इज r. So r is equal to 20 by 2.5. सिंप्लिफिकेशन करबो 20 by 25 into 10. This is your answer is plus 8 cm. Your answer is 8 cm. ताले सरफेस टा कम हेतु therefore प्लस आसला ना, therefore surface is convex. तो सरफेस दो convex and towards तो कुट को अछि convex towards rare medium. बुझ पाइला तो ना हमने सेकंड प्रॉब्लम रा पचर थिला what is the radius of curvature. What must be radius? Radius of curvature is plus 8 हैला minus 8 concave रहता था. Now come to the problem number 3. A small piece of paper struck on a glass sphere, that is this is the sphere, glass sphere having center of curvature. This much small paper struck ei jagah paper ta lagis. This is the glass sphere of 5 cm radius. Radius के देता है कि center पर है 5 cm radius. Viewed through the glass from opposite. एक पटे हम देखिए. This is the position. ताले एट ऑब्जेक्ट আছে एट हला सरफेस टा এই তো ভাই এটা কোন सरफेस concave and travel from glass to it है कहते हैं air denser to rare medium. एट पड़ला हमें this center right to देखो denser to rare away from normal number 2. This is away from normal. So this is the position I, this is the object. This well, it will get the 5 cm glass sphere of 5 cm radius viewed to the glass position direct opposite to this. हम बाहर करते हैं और viewed through a glass sphere from the position that find the position of the image. हमें this is the pole, इटा का pole. कल object है क्या है? Since the radius is 5, that is u is equal to कितने 2 into 5, that is a percent opposite directly opposite is ना minus 10 cm. बीटा हमको बचे रहे visible r is taken minus 5 cm. as ray travels from what we call a denser glass to air, from denser to rare medium, it is mu कहते देखिए mu 2 is equal to 1.5 and mu 1 is equal to 1. So we have to take the formula voltage denser to rare mu 1 by v minus mu 2 by u is equal to mu 1 minus mu 2 by r. Just reverse formula 1 का 2 है mu 2 by v दिला mu 1 by v बुझे लगा कि इतना formula बकेगा mu 1 हला 1 by v minus mu 2 1.5 by minus 10. This is 1 minus 1.5 by 5 minus 5. Then this is equal to 1 by v plus कितने हमें देखा रिबा this is 1.5 by plus 1.5 by 10. This is equal to minus minus plus is 0.5. This is plus 0.5 by 5. Which spell? So 1 by v is equal to 0.5 by 5 means this is taken as 0.1 is equal to 0.1. 0.1 minus 1.5 by 10. बुझे ला? Then LCM 10 लेगा. This is 10. This is 1 minus 1.5. This is 0.5 by 10 minus 0.5 by 10 means 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 20. So v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. V is equal to minus 20 centimeter. ताहले object जो पटे जिसे पट सृष्टि हो 10 image is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter on same side of object. which पहला minus असला ना अंदर same side इधर का 10 इधर का 10 ले टोटल ना असला इधर का 20 centimeter इसमें बुझे ला ये ला the first problem असला number 3. come to the number 4. इधर जो जेटा answer number 4. A beam of light strike the glass sphere of 20 cm diameter. This is the glass sphere. The diameter is 20 cm. Therefore, R is equal to d by 2. Your answer is 20 by 2. This is 10 cm. Converging towards the point 40 cm. Equal to Navadi. This is this is 40. This is C. It is the object. In this case, U as it is converging to 40 cm behind the mirror, where U is plus 40 cm. R is this is the surface, this is the glass, and this is air. As ray, this is the surface, convex. So as ray travels from rare to denser, and it will R is plus as ray travels from rare to denser medium, therefore mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. mu2, this is mu2 is equal to 1.5, mu1 equal to 1. 1.5 by v, 1 by 40, 1.5 minus 1 by r is 8. So 1.5 by v is equal to 1 by 40. ये 1.5 to 1 कलर अगला 0.5 plus this is 0.5 by 8 correction कर देंगे. This is 0.5 by 10 which is equal to 1 by 20. So 1 by 40 into 1 by 20. बुझेला? You take the LCM 40 1 plus 2 that is 3 by 40. So v is equal to 1.5 into 40 by 3, 5 is 20 plus 20 centimeter. Therefore, image is for 20. This is 20. This is the image. Image is this is the image point. So real image. Therefore, real image is for on opposite side of sphere. बुझेला जेतु 20 बाहरला डायमीटर 20 देजी तमे ए जागा इमेज ता सृष्टि होला बुझेला ए होला द प्रॉब्लम हमें फास्ट चेक कर दो रेयर टेंसर जाती ना डेंसर रेयर चल फार्मूला को कर तब आंसर होला